Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Prayogi Rio Utami dari SMK Maitreya Wira Batam. Hari ini Rabu 18 November 2012 jam 10.35 sampai dengan 12 waktu Indonesia Barat, saya akan melaksanakan praktik pembelajaran daring untuk kelas 11 dengan materi procedure text.
Alright, hi everyone.
Hi, Miss.
Hi, good morning.
Morning.
Morning. So, I'm going to start this lesson with a quote. Okay, a quote mentions that health is the key of success, and healthy start from ourselves. Okay, jadi sehat itu kunci dari kesuksesan. Dan kesehatan itu dimulai dari atau berawal dari diri sendiri. Jadi sehat tidaknya, kalian merasa sakit atau tidaknya, menjaga kesehatan atau tidak, itu berasal dari kalian sendiri, diri kalian sendiri. Ya, dan kalau kalian tidak sehat, kalau kalian sakit, kalian tidak akan bisa mengerjakan sesuatu atau tidak produktif. Kalau kalian tidak produktif, tidak mengerjakan sesuatu, tidak bisa mencapai impian. Kalau tidak mencapai impian, kalian tidak bisa sukses. So healthy is important. And keep your body health in this pandemic by eating nutritious food and stay home. Okay? Well, now let me check the attendance here. And I will call your name one by one and make sure I can see you and hear your voice. Okay, here you are. It's 26 participants. Okay, Salty? Yes. Yenny?
Yes, Miss.
Cecil?
Yes, Miss.
Octavia?
Yes, Miss.
Vivianti?
Yes, Miss.
Jessica? Is Jessica
Yes,
here? Yeah, Jessica Caroline.
Yes, Miss.
Good. Well, the purpose of the learning today is to learn how to inform someone about something by giving steps or sequence words. Okay? Jadi kalian akan belajar tentang bagaimana menginformasikan sesuatu dengan memberikan tahapan-tahapan. Alright. So, anyway, have a look. Have a look on your camera. What I have. What is it? What is it, guys?
Face mask.
A mask. Yeah, good. A mask.
Mask.
Yeah, a mask. And please tell me what is the function of mask? What is the function of mask? Especially for this pandemic.
To cover our mouth.
Yes, Salty?
To cover our mouth.
To cover our mouth. Why we have to cover our mouth? Come on, just answer or type it, no problem. I will check it. Salty said the function is to cover our mouth. And why? Why we have to cover our mouth? What is actually the function of this mask?
Supaya bisa terhindar dari virus.
Terhindar dari virus. Very good. What is in English, Ferry? Translate it, please. Untuk agar terhindar. What is in English? Terhindar atau mencegah dari virus. Come on. Mencegah, what is mencegah?
Prevent.
Yes, prevent. Jadi sambungkan kalimatnya. So, Ferry benar. Coba jadinya gimana, Ferry? To
prevent virus.
to prevent from the virus atau to prevent the spread of the virus. Oke, bagus Ferry, very good. Salty juga tadi menjawab ya bahasa Inggrisnya, good Ferry. Jadi dapat kosakata baru ya, mencegah itu prevent. Ya, jadi fungsi dari masker ini adalah untuk menutup mulut kita. Apakah hanya mulut saja? Mulut begini?
Hidung.
Is it right? Yeah, nose and mouth. Okay, nose and mouth, ya, agar terhindar dari virus, agar tidak menyebar ke dalam diri kita. Jadi kita mengcover nose and mouth kita dari dengan mask. Okay. And then I believe that you have mask at home, right? Did you have mask at home?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Now I would like you to grab it now. Grab your mask and show me on the camera that you have mask. It will be needed in this learning. Ini akan dibutuhkan nanti untuk pelajaran kita selanjutnya. So please grab your mask and show me on the camera that you have mask, please. Now, show me please. Miss sambil membaca nih chatnya nih. Oke, sabar Miss, ambil dulu, alright. A moment please, ya. Bisa diganti sabar Miss. Itu sabar Miss kan dalam bahasa kalian kan. A moment please. A moment Miss, gitu ya. A moment. Atau a minute. Wait a minute, atau a minute please. Ya, boleh. Okay, anyone please? Show me, come on. Yeah, good, Octavianti. Well done. Steven Wijaya. I cannot see your mask. I just see the videos behind you.
Nggak nampak, Pak. Kita lagi ganti, Cok.
Alright then. Nice try. Okay. Tapi saya lebih memilih untuk melihat video di belakangmu jadinya, Steven. Okay, see, good. Very good, Steven. Yes, Octavia? Oh, Ferry, yeah. Ferry, that's not real. That's not real mask, Ferry. Octavia? Yeah, very good. Yes. Yang kain juga nggak apa-apa ya. Kalau yang tidak ada kayak gini, yang kain juga boleh. Yang lain? Make sure you grab it and put it around you. Okay, good, Selty. Ya, akhirnya, finally you grab it, you find it. Kamu cari di mana? Warung ya? Okay. Okay. So we are going to study about procedure text. How to do something, how to use something, but it's in English. Okay. Well, let's start. Oke, tadi di awal Miss sudah menjelaskan tentang, kita sudah berdiskusi tentang apa itu kegunaan masker ya. Nah, sekarang please check this video.
Introducing the right way to wear your face mask. Before putting on your mask, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. If you can't, a good hand sanitizer is your next best choice. Make sure your mask covers your entire nose and mouth, no gaps. If you have a big beard, it might prevent a proper seal. So, it might be time to make your dad happy for once in his life and shave. While your mask is on, avoid touching it. If you have to adjust it, use gloves and then throw them away. Take your mask off by removing the loops around your ears so you don't touch your face. If it's disposable, throw it away. If it's reusable, toss it in the washing machine. Face masks are great, but they're only effective if they're used and handled properly. And now you know the right way to wear a face mask.
Do you see the video?
Yes.
Yes. What is it about?
How to wear mask.
How to wear mask atau mask ya, di dalamnya tadi mereka pronunciation-nya mask ya. How to wear, kalau yang Salty has said before that it is about how to wear mask properly. Okay, so can you get some point of the video? What is the point of the video?
Wash our hands first.
Sorry, Salty.
Wash our hands first.
Yes, wash our hands before and after we touch the mask. We touch the mask. Yeah, wash your hands before and after we touch the mask or we use the mask. Okay, and then next, what else? Ferry?
Apa, Miss?
Yeah, Ferry? Perhaps you can answer what the point of the video. Next point of the video. Poinnya tadi apa aja? Tadi Salty udah jawab wash hands. Good. Next, apa lagi? Tuh, Honi sudah mencontohkan.
Pakai
How?
masker itu bahasa Inggrisnya.
Ya?
Pakai masker.
Iya, pakai masker itu judulnya. Terus apa lagi?
Dilarang menyentuh masker.
Ininya ya. Jadi harusnya penggunanya seperti apa, Ferry? Harus memegang apanya nih?
Talinya.
Iya, talinya, ties-nya ya. Jadi saat menggunakan, the good way when we would like to use mask is we have to hold the ties, bukan ininya. Oke, good. Apalagi Ferry?
Lagi ya tadi.
Oke. Tadi ada dibilang juga bagaimana cara menggunakan masker. Ini harus menutupi apa?
Mulut dan hidung.
Yes, it have to cover our mouth and nose. Okay, and also chin sebenarnya ya. Sebenarnya chin juga. Mouth, nose, mouth, chin ya.
Dagu.
Okay. Yes. Apalagi? Kalau sudah selesai kita gunakan,
Dibuang.
iya dibuang tadi ya. Kalau misalnya ini merasa kotor dan rusak, kita buang. Tapi kalau yang kain, kita bisa cuci. Oke, good. Jadi sebenarnya Ferry sudah paham isinya, but you cannot to inform that using English. Is that right, Ferry? What is the purpose of this video or of the speaker say? The purpose of the speaker say. Apa tujuannya sih? Tujuan dari memberikan pengetahuan ini kepada listener tentang how to wear mask properly. Ya, Ferry?
Edukasi.
Ya, untuk mengedukasi about cara
berlindung diri, menghindari virus.
Okay, Miss translate in English ya. So the purpose of this video is to inform you, the listener, about how to wear mask properly. Gitu ya, Miss ulangi. What is the purpose of this video? The purpose is to inform the people atau inform the listener, karena ini video, inform the listener about how to wear mask properly. Okay, and the listener or people can get the education or can get the knowledge about this. Jadi kita yang mendengarkan atau orang-orang yang melihat mungkin teksnya akan tahu atau mendapatkan pengetahuan. Oh, okay, good. Well done. So next is next is this, and this is the text about how to wear mask properly. Tadi kalian lihat videonya, sekarang teksnya. Okay, I give you a minute to read the text, please. A minute for reading the text by your own. Silakan baca sendiri. And I'm going to have some questions after this. Please read it properly, and I will call you. Okay, I think you have read it. I'm going to give you some guidance questions. Justin. Answer me, Justin. Hi, Justin.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, Justin. Justin, have you read the text? Have you read the text?
Yeah, Miss.
Yes. Justin,
Yeah, Miss.
what is the title of the text? The title. Do you know title?
Judul.
Yes. What is the title of the text?
How to build a mass property.
Okay, very good. Very good, Justin. Thank you. Next question. Sheila, please. Hello, Sheila.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Have you read the text?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so the question is, why we need to wear a mask properly?
To prevent the spread of the virus from the person.
Yes. Sorry, can you repeat more?
To prevent the spread of the virus from the person wearing the mask.
Okay, very good. Yes. So why we need to wear a mask properly? Because mask can help prevent the spread of the virus from the person wearing the mask to others. Good, Sheila. Next question. For Angriani.
Yes, Miss.
When we have to wash our hands, based on the text,
Miss boleh repeat?
okay, when we have to wash our hands, based on the text.
Before and after we
Before
use
and after,
mask.
yes, before and after we touching the mask or using the mask. Well done, very good, Angriani. Next, I call Talita. Hi, Talita. It's easy, Talita. Please answer me. It's easy question, really.
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, Talita, have you read the text? Sudah baca teksnya kan?
Sudah, Miss.
Okay, so how many advices or how many steps that is given in the text?
5.
5, yes, very good. Thank you, Talita.
Yeah, Miss.
Yes, the last question I call Vivianti. Hi, Vivianti. You there, Vivianti? Stephen there. Stephen, yes. Oh yeah, Vivianti. Vivianti, the last question is this for you. What is the best way to put and take off the mask? What is the best way to put and take off the mask?
Wash our hand before and after.
Please listen it well. What is the best way to put and take off the mask?
Oh, touch only the bands.
Yes,
of the
very
mask.
good. This the second advice is, yeah, touch only the bands or ties when putting on and taking off your mask. Okay, good. Thank you, Vivianti. Yang benar. And then number 5, wash reusable mask after each use. Reusable mask itu artinya apa? Reusable mask after each use. What is reusable? Reusable. Reuse.
Bisa dipakai ulang.
Ya, yang dipakai ulang. Kalau yang ini mungkin tidak bisa dipakai ulang ya. Kalau yang kain itu namanya reusable. Bisa dipakai ulang. Jadi wash reusable. Kalau kalian menggunakan mask yang reusable, kalian harus cuci setelah penggunaan. Lalu if the mask is disposable, what is disposable? If the mask is disposable, discard it when visibly soiled and or damaged. What is disposable? Anyone knows?
Sekali pakai.
Yeah, good, Selti. Sekali pakai. Ya, seperti ini, sekali pakai. If the mask is disposable atau sekali pakai langsung dibuang, discard it when visibly soiled or damaged. What is soiled? What is soiled?
Kotor.
Yes, kotor. Good, Angriani. Damage? Rusak. Yes. Jadi kalau kotor sama rusak, kalau yang disposable, you have to discard it atau dibuang. Oke? Okay? Nah, ini adalah advice atau tips. Ini adalah one of the example of procedure text. There are so many kind of procedure text. Mungkin yang sering kalian lihat adalah recipe. How to bake a cake, how to bake banana cake, for example. Lalu how to open the camera, how to use the camera, itu namanya manual. Kalau yang tadi yang how to bake a banana cake itu recipe. Kalau yang seperti ini, kita hari ini kita akan khusus belajar tentang procedure text spesial untuk tips. Ya, kiat-kiat melakukan sesuatu, tips. Banyak sekali tips. Contohnya, how to speak English properly. How become success people. And then, for example, how to make your laptop safe. How to make your laptop keep safe. Misalnya, ya. Membuat laptopnya selalu aman, misalkan. Jadi ini hari ini kita akan belajar special procedure text yang menceritakan tentang kiat-kiat atau memberikan informasi tentang kiat-kiat atau tips melakukan sesuatu, ya. Yang pertama kita bahas itu how to wear a mask properly. Jadi dari sini harusnya kalian paham bagaimana menggunakan mask dengan baik. Oke? Okay? Do you understand so far?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's talk about procedure text. What do you know about procedure text? I believe you have done or you have studied about it in junior high school. So, I have taught you before the purpose of the text. So, please answer me. What is the purpose of the text? Hone? What is the purpose of procedure text?
Untuk menginformasikan kepada orang langkah-langkah untuk memakai sesuatu dengan cara yang benar.
Okay, please translate it slowly. To menginformasikan.
To inform someone.
Ya, inform someone atau info people, yes. About bagaimana cara.
How to
menggunakan sesuatu.
Something.
Yeah.
Properly.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, good.
Okay.
Hone. And then next, what are genre of procedure? Yang kita belajar ini namanya procedure tentang Yeni?
Ada 3 ya, Miss?
Ya, apa aja, Nak?
Yang pertama, how to use cara untuk melakukan. Terus yang kedua, ada cara menjadi orang yang sukses, how to successful in life. Terus yang ketiga ada how to membuat sesuatu.
Ya, Benar, itu yang Yeni sebutkan adalah purpose-nya. Tapi nama teksnya adalah yang tadi Yeni bilang pertama adalah how to use, itu namanya manual. The second one, yang tadi kamu bilang saran-saran, itu yang tadi yang sekarang kita pelajari, itu tips, saran-saran. And the third, tadi untuk membuat sesuatu, to make something, can be recipe, ya, atau instruction. Okay, very good Yeni. Ya, good Yeni. Well, jadi genrenya bisa banyak ya, tapi hari ini kita khusus mempelajari tentang tips. Give the advice atau suggestion, saran-saran to someone about something. Okay? And next, the structure of procedure text. Let's back to the text. Strukturnya apa aja sih? Pertama tadi di sini, what is it? What is it, guys?
Judul.
Judul. Judul atau goals, ya. Judul, title itu disebut dengan goals. Tujuannya, goal-nya apa atau aim. Oke? Ingat ya, ada goal. Biasanya di procedure text itu, di struktur kedua ada namanya ingredients atau equipment atau tools, bahan-bahan. Tapi karena ini tips, there is no ingredient atau bahan-bahan atau tool or equipment. Ya, so we going to the next structure, yaitu ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is it? What we call it? Yeah, good Selfie, steps. Ya, jadi yang di sini yang sekarang structure yang kita pelajari itu ada goal and steps. Hanya 2 aja. Biasanya ada ingredient, tapi hari ini kita belajar yang tips. Jadi hanya goal and steps. Goal and steps, goal and steps. That's it. That's the structure. Okay? Easy. And then next, do you know what is imperative verb? Anyone knows what is imperative verbs? Imperative verbs ini yang dicontohkan. Wash your hands. Touch only the bands. Make sure the mask. Make sure you can breathe. Wash reusable mask. What is imperative?
Kalimat perintah.
Very good, Anggriani. Well done. Kalimat perintah menggunakan verb 1. Wash your hands. Study hard. Apalagi ya, pakai verb ya, kata kerja misalkan play the guitar. Play it properly. Yeah, play. Okay, very good. So, from this text, we know that the imperative words are, apa saja? Kata imperatifnya di sini apa aja?
Wash.
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 Touch.
Touch. Make.
Make. And wash again, yeah? Okay, that's all. Yeah, good. Thank you, very good. Okay. So, this is the conclusion. Procedural text instruct your audience on how to complete a specific task. Ya, specific task atau step-stepnya. And then the purpose is to inform people how to do or make something, or to give advices by using sequence words. The third is the structures are goal, ingredients, steps, and conclusion. Conclusion is optional. Tidak selalu ada. It depends on the writer or the speaker. Tapi yang tadi kita pelajari hanya goal dan steps, remember. And then the genre of procedural text can be manual, tips, recipe, instruction, itinerary, direction, agenda, or rules of games, also part of procedure text. Yang suka main game, itu ada rules of games, itu procedure juga. Okay, next, language features of procedural text are using imperative words. Kita tadi sudah bahas ya sedikit. Sequence words, simple present tense. Yang 2 ini akan kita bahas di next meeting. Okay, so imperative words itu kalimat perintah, make, blank, put. Sequence word itu yang tadi first, second, then after that 1, 2, 3. That is the sequence words. Kalimat yang berurutan. simple present tense using verb 1. We are going to learn more about the language features next meeting. And for today, we focus about the purpose, and then the structure, and then the specific information. How to speak English with confidence. Ayo, Miss mau minta kalian menjawab, benar-benar menjawab untuk mengisi atau melengkapi teks ini. Kira-kira apa jawabannya? Make a sentence untuk melengkapi, to complete this procedure text. How to speak English with confidence. Here are several learning tips that can help you build your confidence in speaking English. Yang pertama itu ada listen and repeat. Find a friend. Number 4, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Speak slowly. What is number 3 and number 4? Kira-kira. Please.
Try and talk to your friend.
Sorry?
Try and talk to your friend.
Try?
Talk to your friend in English.
Oh yeah, help your friends in English, in learning English. Help your friends in learning English. Yes, by teaching, we can also improve our confidence. Good, Salty. Jadi, salah satu tips dari Salty itu how to speak English confidence, kita cari teman dan belajar bahasa Inggris atau di pelajaran sebelumnya. Apa? Miss bilang dengan ini, kalian akan improve your confidence.
Reading.
Yeah, good. Who is that? Siapa yang jawab? Vivi. Yes. Reading. Reading aloud. Reading or reading aloud. Ya, betul. Jadi number 3 itu jawabannya reading aloud. Jadi dengan membaca kita melatih confidence kita. Kan kemarin Oktavianti juga sudah bilang ya, dengan 3 kali reading, practice, ternyata saya jadi lebih confidence nih, gitu. Oke, good. Setelah saat kita speaking, kita
Record.
yes, good, Hane. Record ourselves when we speak. Kita record, lalu kita dengarkan. Seperti reading aloud kemarin ya, kalian membaca, kalian dengarkan. Pakai voice note kemarin. Ini bagaimana cara mencuci tangan. Look at the picture. There are 12 pictures in the screen, okay? And you have to pay attention for the pictures. And actually, this is what you should do with your partner or with your group. You have to guess or what you have to arrange the sentence based on the picture. Okay? Ini adalah sebuah prosedur tentang how to wash hands properly. How to wash hands properly. Tadi kan kita belajar how to wear mask properly. Dengan kalau kita memegang ini kita harus wash after and before and after. Nah, bagaimana mencuci tangan yang baik? How to wash hands properly. This is the steps. This is the advices. Okay? So this is the first one. Lihat ya urutannya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Kita akan membahas sedikit for the first picture. Kira-kira what is the first picture? Kalian bisa menyusun kalimat apa di the first picture?
Open the tap water.
Yeah?
Open the tap water.
Okay, switch on. Yeah, okay. Switch the tap on. Boleh. Okay, good. After we switch the tap on, and then we wet our hands. Yeah, we wet our hands with water. Okay, that's the first picture. Good, Vivianti. The next one. Can you see this? Ini sabun kan? Kira-kira kami bisa membuat kalimat apa? Ayo. Okay. I tell you, apply. Kalau kita memakai sesuatu, apply namanya ya. Apply enough soap. Soap itu sabun ya. Apply enough soap to cover your hand. Ya, to cover your hands. Okay? That's the second steps. And then the third until 12. Work in group session. In the session, you have to discuss with your group mate about how to arrange the sentence, based on the pictures, and you will arrange that sentence and make it into the good paragraph of procedure text. I provide you 12 pictures, and it is about how to wash hands properly. And you have to check one by one of the pictures, discuss to you that after you finish arrange the sentence, make it procedure text, you submit it into Google Classroom. Learning today, tips is one of the procedure, and the purpose of tips is to inform or giving advices to someone or people about something sequentially. Okay, so hopefully we can continue the learning next meeting. Next meeting, we are going to learn about the language features of procedure text, and we will learn as well about how to write the procedure and learn more about other genre or other kinds of procedure such as manual and recipe. And thank you very much for joining the class. Good morning.